Module 10, Global Human Resource Management, Global HRM. Great to have you back. Congratulations on making it to the final module of our Introduction to Human Resource Management course. In this module, we will explore Global Human Resource Management, Global HRM. As organizations increasingly operate on a global scale, managing HR functions across different countries and cultures presents unique challenges and opportunities. Let's dive into the key aspects of global HRM and how to effectively manage HR practices in an international context. Objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to 1. Understand the concept and significance of global HRM. 2. Identify the key challenges and strategies in managing HR on a global scale. 3. Recognize best practices for managing a diverse and multicultural workforce. 4. Apply global HRM principles to real-world scenarios. Understanding global HRM. Global HRM refers to the management of HR practices and policies in an international context. It involves adapting HR strategies to fit different cultural, legal, and economic environments across countries. Importance of global HRM. As organizations expand globally, effective HRM becomes critical for managing international talent, ensuring compliance with local laws, and fostering a cohesive organizational culture. Consider a multinational corporation with offices in several countries. It must develop HR policies that address local labor laws, cultural differences, and organizational goals to ensure consistent and effective management of its global workforce. Key challenges in global HRM. Managing HR on a global scale involves several challenges. Let's take a look at some of them. 1. Cultural differences. Navigating diverse cultural norms and practices that affect employee behavior, communication, and management styles. Imagine an HR team at a global tech company. They must adapt its leadership training programs to account for varying cultural expectations and communication styles in different regions. 2. Legal and regulatory compliance, ensuring compliance with labor laws and regulations in multiple countries, which can vary widely. For example, an HR manager at a global manufacturing firm must stay updated on labor regulations in each country where the company operates and ensure that local HR practices comply with these regulations. 3. Talent management. This refers to attracting, developing, and retaining talent across different regions while addressing varying skill requirements and employment practices. For instance, a multinational company implements a global talent management strategy to identify and develop high-potential employees from different regions and prepare them for leadership roles. 4. Communication and coordination. Managing communication and coordination among geographically dispersed teams and ensuring alignment with organizational goals. For example, using technology to facilitate regular communication and collaboration between teams located in different time zones and regions. Best practices in global HRM. Effective global HRM involves implementing best practices to address the challenges mentioned. The steps involves 1. Developing a global HR strategy. Creating a comprehensive HR strategy that aligns with global business objectives and addresses local needs. For example, a global pharmaceutical company develops a global HR strategy that includes standardized performance management processes while allowing flexibility to adapt to local market conditions. 2. Cultural awareness and training, providing cultural awareness training to help employees understand and navigate cultural differences effectively. Take, for instance, an international NGO offering cross-cultural training programs to employees working in different countries to enhance their cultural competence and improve collaboration. 3. Standardizing policies with local adaptations, developing standardized HR policies that can be adapted to meet local legal and cultural requirements. For example, a global retail chain implements a core set of HR policies for employee benefits while allowing local adaptations to accommodate country-specific regulations and cultural preferences. 4. Leveraging technology, using HR technology to facilitate global HR operations, including communication, data management, and employee engagement. Look at this example. A global IT firm uses an integrated human resources information system, HRIS, to manage employee data, track performance metrics, and coordinate HR activities across different regions. 5. Building a diverse workforce. Promoting diversity and inclusion by actively recruiting and developing talent from various backgrounds and regions. For example, a multinational corporation must implement diversity and inclusion initiatives to ensure representation of various ethnicities, genders, and nationalities within its global workforce. Applying global HRM principles. Applying global HRM principles involves 1. Adapting recruitment and selection. Tailoring recruitment and selection processes to fit different cultural and legal contexts while maintaining consistency with global standards. For instance, an international company must adapt its recruitment processes to align with local job market practices while ensuring that selection criteria meet global competency standards. 2. Implementing global performance management, developing performance management systems that are fair and effective across different cultural contexts. For example, a global manufacturing firm must use a performance management system that incorporates both global performance metrics and local feedback to evaluate employee performance. 3. Ensuring global employee engagement, creating strategies to engage employees across different regions and ensure they are aligned with the company's global vision. For example, a global marketing agency must organize virtual team-building events and international recognition programs to enhance employee engagement and foster a sense of global community. In this module, we explored the concept and significance of global HRM. We discussed key challenges, including cultural differences, legal compliance, talent management, and communication. We also identified best practices for effective global HRM, such as developing a global HR strategy, providing cultural awareness training, standardizing policies with local adaptations, leveraging technology, and building a diverse workforce. Practical scenarios illustrated how to apply global HRM principles to manage an international workforce successfully. Congratulations on completing the Introduction to Human Resource Management course. Over the past modules, we've journeyed through essential HR topics, from foundational concepts to complex global challenges. You've gained valuable insights into key areas such as recruitment and selection, training and development, performance management, and more. As you move forward, remember that effective HRM is integral to fostering a positive and productive work environment. Apply the knowledge and skills you've acquired to navigate HR challenges, support organizational goals, and contribute to the success of your future endeavors. Thank you for your dedication and engagement throughout this course. We wish you the best in your continued learning and professional growth. Keep striving for excellence, and may your HR career be both fulfilling and impactful.